sorry. I can see you getting into it, go like that. This song goes like this, thank you. Took a bottle of sleeping pills. Nothing really happened, not until I felt slightly unstable after looking at the label. They were my wife's hormone replacement pills. And my voice went up a semitone. And now you can call me Joe. And I've lost half a stone. Happy go lucky, things come easy to me, and it's getting me down. I just wanna be 6 feet underground. I jumped from a bridge, but what I did not envisage, as I neared the ground, there was a tightening sound. I caught my braces on the side of the fucking bridge. I shot back up and down again twice. It was fantastic, I felt revitalised. It was probably the best time I'd had in all my fucking life. Oh yes, I'm happy, go lucky, things come easy to me. And quite frankly, it's getting me down. I just wanna be 6 feet underground. I tried cutting me wrists. I tried, but I missed. I caught myself somewhere else instead. In fact, right between my legs. And now I go and see a gynecologist. And they tried to stitch it back on, but they stitched it all wrong. And now it points in a funny direction. No, straight up. I'm happy, go lucky. Why do things come easy to me? And it's getting me down. I just wanna be under the ground. And it won't be long, soon as I finish this song.